Hello everyone! Today I'm making these super crispy and delicious chicken spring rolls at home. They are perfect for snacks, parties, or evening cravings. First, take some boiled chicken and shred it into small pieces. Now, heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons oil, then add cumin sauté for a few seconds. Add sliced carrots, capsicum, and cabbage. Stir fry everything on high flame so the vegetables stay crunchy. Now add the shredded chicken and mix well. For seasoning, add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, a little red chili powder, tikka masala, coriander powder, and oregano. One tablespoon soy sauce and 1 tablespoon chili sauce. Vinegar. Mix everything together and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Our filling is ready. Let it cool completely before rolling. Take a spring roll sheet, place the filling in the center, fold the sides and roll it tightly. Seal the edge using a flour and water paste. Heat oil on medium flame and fry the spring rolls until they turn golden and crispy. Serve these crunchy chicken spring rolls hot with your favorite sauce and enjoy this delicious homemade snack. For more amazing recipes, subscribe and press the bell icon for more